I'm Changjing Zhou, and I'm from Shanghai University of Sport. And firstly, I thanks Miguel for your invitation and your introduction. Today, I will introduce myself and my work from the following four parts. First is self-introduction, and the second is my research direction, and third is I will show you some studies of my research, and the last part is about our team's work in practice application. I finished my undergraduate and my master degree in Beijing Sports University, and my major at that time, my major is strength and conditioning and biomechanics. And in my PhD, I worked with Miguel and Alberto Lorenzo in INEF. And my major is performance analysis in sports. And right now, I'm working in Shanghai University of Sports. And right now, I'm working on performance analysis in sports, especially in soccer. And also, I have some lesson about soccer training. And some, I think all of my students are here attending our meeting. Okay, second, I will show you the two of my main research lines. First is about exploring changes in players' match performance with their age. And second is study the trend of teams or players' performance over the seasons. I think my studies are similar to Carlos Lago in some extent. So you can see my research or our team's research is about a long-term trend of players or teams over seasons or with their age. Thirdly, I will show you our 6 studies. First one, we use the mixed linear model to examine the evolution in physical and technical performance parameters in the Chinese Soccer Super League. The data is from teams. We use 6 seasons data, and this work or this study is published in which journal? Biology. Biology in sports. And our second research, I worked with Alberto Lorenzo and Sam Robertson and Miguel Angel. We use binary logistic regression to identify the relationship between performance indicator and the match results. And then we determine whether the rule of technical, physical performance indicator and situational variables in determining match results has varied from long-term analysis. And we also use 6 seasons data. And the third research, we use the factor analysis to identify the Chinese Soccer Super League teams' playing styles and to identify playing styles adopted by teams in the Chinese Soccer Super League and to investigate their evolution across 6 seasons data, 6 seasons time. And our fourth study is about the players' performance according to their age and their playing positions. This study is similar to Galoslago. And we use the analysis of variance. In the previous 4 studies, actually we use the linear model to identify the evolution of players or teams' performance. And right now, the work, the study I'm working on, we use the non-linear model, the generalized additive model, to study the technical and physical performance changes in Chinese Soccer Super League, in Chinese soccer players. And we use the R software to get the evolution of players' performance, and we got the better result. And here you can see we have R square. The model's power is better. So also right now I'm working on this paper. I think in this year I will submit it. And the sixth research is about the pitch network size, and also Yixing Cui has introduced this method. This study is Miguel and Javier Porto and Gong and me. We work together to work in this study. And the fourth part, I will show you some work I have done in practice. First is last year I and Yu and some others coaches we worked together to produce the report for the Chinese Soccer Super League. Right now, our team have a good relationship with Chinese Soccer Association, so we have a lot of work with them. And the second work in these days, our team, my student right now is working for China under 15 national team, and right now his work is about the GPS tracking data. We analysis in the tracking data, and also we have the video analysis for the technical and tactical analysis. And that's all of my presentation. Thanks for your attention. And my email is following. Thank you.